In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get a Google Cloud Vision API key step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. This is essential if you're working with image recognition, OCR, face detection, or any application that uses Google's Cloud Vision features. I'll walk you through the entire process inside the Google Cloud Console, explain what each step does, and show you where your API key is generated. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Google Cloud Console. Make sure you're logged into the Google account you want to use for your project. Once the console loads, look at the top of the screen and select the project where you want to enable the Cloud Vision API. If you don't already have a project, you can create a new one by clicking the Project dropdown and choosing New Project, then following the on-screen steps. After selecting your project, go to the top left corner and click on the navigation menu, also known as the hamburger menu. From the list, click on APIs and Services, and then select Library. This is where you can browse and enable different Google Cloud APIs for your project. Inside the API library, click on the search bar and type Cloud Vision. From the results, select Cloud Vision API. You'll be taken to the Cloud Vision API overview page. Here, click the Enable button. This step activates the Cloud Vision API for your selected project. It may take a few seconds, but once it's enabled, you'll be redirected to the API dashboard. Now that the Cloud Vision API is enabled, the next step is to generate your API key. To do this, go back to the APIs and Services section using the left-hand menu. This time, click on Credentials. The Credentials page is where Google lets you create and manage API keys, OAuth clients, and service accounts. On the Credentials page, click the Create Credentials button near the top. From the dropdown, select API key. As soon as you click this option, Google will automatically generate a new API key for your project. You'll see a pop-up with the key displayed. This is your Google Cloud Vision API key, and you can copy it directly from here. Before using the key in your application, it's highly recommended to adjust the security settings. In the same pop-up or from the Credentials list, click on Edit API Key. Here, you can restrict how the key is used. You can limit it to specific APIs, such as only allowing Cloud Vision API, and you can also restrict it by website, IP address, or app type depending on your use case. These restrictions help protect your project from unauthorized usage and unexpected charges. Once you've configured the restrictions the way you want, click Save. Your API key is now ready to use with Google Cloud Vision. You can paste this key into your application, script, or tool that requires Cloud Vision access. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the Google Cloud Vision API and generated your API key the correct way. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Google Cloud and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.